In this video, we will have a quick glance on the introduction to strings and how do we create a string variable in Python. Python string is an ordered collection of characters. It is used to represent and store text-based information. It can be accessed from both directions, that is, forward and backward directions. Strings are immutable data types in Python, which means that once a string is created, it cannot be changed. You can replace the complete string by assigning a new value to it, but the character of the string cannot be modified. Creating a string. There are multiple ways in which a string can be created in Python. Collection of characters surrounded using a single quote. Collection of characters surrounded using double quotes. Single and double quotes are mainly used to create strings. We can also use 3 single quoted or 3 double quotes collection of characters also. These are mainly used to create docstrings or multi-line strings. To print the string on screen, we can use the print function. Let's test the strings practically using a program. In the program, string variables can be created in multiple ways. Variable A is assigned a string value in double quotes. Variable B is assigned a string value in single quotes. Variable C is assigned a multi-line string value in double quotes separate by a backward slash. Strings separate by a backward slash are considered to be the same. Variable D is assigned a multi-line docstring value in double quotes. Variable E is assigned a multi-line docstring value in single quotes. Print statements are added to print the output on the screen for all the variables. Once executed, we can see that all the variables are printed with the same indentation as defined in the program. These are the different ways in which a string variable can be defined in Python.